the 2026 Pontiac Mera makes a bold return to the streets, reviving a name that's long been a hidden gem in Pontiac's history. Originally introduced in the late 80s as a specialty car based on the Fiero, the Mera was a rare blend of American performance and exotic flair. Now, in 2026, Pontiac brings back the Mera name with a completely reimagined design, ENHANCED powertrain, and performance-driven engineering. This car isn't just a tribute to the past, it's a reinvention of what a modern American sports car can be built to challenge European rivals while embracing its own unique identity. At first glance, the 2026 Mera is it demands attention with its low-slung stance, sharply sculpted lines, and aerodynamic bodywork that screams speed and aggression. The front fascia is dominated by angular LED headlights with adaptive matrix technology, a wide blacked-out grille that dips low into the bumper, and active aerodynamic flaps that open or close based on speed and cooling needs. The iconic twin-nostril nose, a nod to Pontiac heritage, has been subtly reinterpreted to match the modern silhouette. The hood features aggressive heat extractors, not just for show, but to help manage airflow from the twin-turbo V6 under the hood. Along the sides, the Mera is sleek yet muscular, with pronounced wheel arches housing lightweight forged 20-inch alloys in the front and 21s in the rear. The profile is dominated by deep air intakes behind the doors, feeding cool air into the mid-mounted engine, a decision that sets the Mera apart in a world of front-engine muscle cars. This is Pontiac, going all-in with a mid-engine layout, aiming for world-class handling and balance. The roofline tapers elegantly into a flying buttress-style rear, reminiscent of exotic supercars, with optional carbon fiber roof panels that reduce weight and lower the center of gravity. The rear of the Mera is equally aggressive. A full-width LED taillight bar runs across the back, framing a vented rear deck that manages engine heat. Quad exhaust tips are centered within a functional diffuser, and an electronically adjustable rear wing deploys at speed to improve down. All of it is crafted not just for aesthetics, but for serious aerodynamic advantage. The attention to detail in the panel fitment, the paint finish, and even the custom emblems is a testament to Pontiac's goal of delivering premium quality. Inside, the Mera combines race-bred ergonomics with modern luxury. The cabin is driver-focused, with a cockpit layout that wraps around the pilot. The flat-bottom steering wheel is trimmed in Alcantara and carbon fiber, with integrated controls for drive modes, suspension settings, and digital instrumentation is fully reconfigurable, showing performance telemetry, G-forces, lap timers, and more, while a central infotainment screen runs GM's latest UX interface, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates, voice commands, and an AI-assisted personal assistant. Make tech feel seamless. Seats are deeply bolstered and crafted from a combination of Nappa, leather, and Alcantara, with available contrast stitching and Mera logos embossed into the headrests. A heads-up display projects vital info directly onto the windshield, allowing the driver to keep their eyes on the road. There's also a track mode that dims ambient lighting, stiffens the suspension, and sharpens throttle response instantly. For a car this performance-oriented, Pontiac didn't sacrifice comfort. Dual-zone climate control, a 12-speaker Bose surround system, and noise insulation panels keep the cabin refined. When cruising, under the engine cover lies the real magic. A 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6, producing 540 horsepower and 490 pounds-ft of torque. Mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, 0 to 60 comes in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 198 miles per hour. Pontiac has engineered the Mera's chassis to be agile and composed, with adaptive magnetic ride control that reads the road 1,000 times per second, and torque vectoring that ensures maximum grip through corners. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide fade-free stopping power, and the entire drivetrain is tuned for balanced weight distribution. Driving the Mera is a visceral experience. The exhaust note is refined yet aggressive, a blend of turbo, whoosh, and mechanical precision that's tuned to excite without overwhelming. The transmission delivers lightning-quick shifts, and the steering is razor-sharp, giving the driver confidence to attack corners with precision. In track testing, the Mera has shown it can hold over 1.05 grams of lateral acceleration, putting it in the same league as performance legends. Whether you're hitting the apex on a road course or carving through mountain roads, the Mera feels alive in your hands. Pontiac offers multiple drive modes: comfort, sport, track, and custom, each adjusting throttle sensitivity, suspension, damping, exhaust sound, and shift mapping. Track mode unlocks launch control and advanced stability programming, letting the Mera perform with pinpoint accuracy under pressure. There's also a performance data recorder that logs telemetry data and video, allowing drivers to analyze their performance or share highlights online. In terms of safety, the Mera comes equipped with GM's Supercruise semi-autonomous driving system, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping, assist, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision warning, with automatic emergency braking. It's one of the few mid-sports cars to offer this level of driver assistance technology, making it not just thrilling, but practical for daily use or long-distance drives. Now let's talk price. Pontiac has managed to surprise the industry with an aggressive starting MSRP of $74,900 for the base Mera. This includes the full twin-turbo engine setup, adaptive suspension, and digital cockpit. The mid-tier Mera GT trim, which adds carbon fiber, aerobits, a sport exhaust system, and upgraded interior touches, comes in at around $85,000. The range-topping Mera GXP performance model, equipped with carbon ceramic brakes, active aero, upgraded wheels, and performance software tuning, crosses into supercar territory with a price of $96,500. Still, an incredible value for the kind of performance it offers. Optional packages include a track pack with slick tires and a roll cage, a carbon fiber package for both interior and exterior trim, and a luxury pack that swaps out race seats for heated and ventilated comfort seats, plus premium materials throughout. Custom paint colors, wheel finishes, and performance exhaust upgrades are also available, letting buyers tailor the Mera to their own style. The 2026 Mera isn't trying to be a retro rebirth, it's a bold step into the future for a brand that many thought was gone forever. Pontiac has taken its heritage, its soul, and combined it with modern technology and global performance standards to create something truly unique. The Mera is not just Pontiac's return to form, it's their message to the automotive world that American innovation is still very much alive and ready to challenge anyone on the track or the street. From the sleek styling and mid-layout to the powerful twin-turbo V6 and advanced tech, the Mera checks every box for enthusiasts. It balances heritage and innovation, giving fans of the brand something to rally behind while appealing to a new generation of performance-minded drivers. And perhaps most importantly, it brings the Pontiac name roaring back into the spotlight, exactly where it belongs. If you're looking for a car that combines exotic looks, track-ready performance, and everyday livability, the 2026 Pontiac Mera deserves a spot on your It's not just another sports car, it's a declaration of ambition. Built with passion and engineered for those who demand something different. Whether you're an old-school Pontiac loyalist or a modern-day speed junkie, the Mera is the car that finally bridges the gap between past and future in the most thrilling way possible.